What is going on, everyone? Yeah, welcome to day 2 of live streaming. Let me know if you guys want me to be, let me fix this here. Let's see. Let me know if you guys want me to be doing these in the morning or at night. I was kind of thinking about that. I'm like, would you guys rather, see me break down stuff at night, talk about, some trades I made during the day, or would you rather me do morning watch list videos in the morning and break down what I'm going to watch that day? So let me know in the comments or wherever, shoot me a message which one you prefer. But yeah, let's dive into today. So overall today, if we pull up the SPY, we're still in this wedge here coming to the top. We'll see if we can get rejected. Let's see how it looks on ES here. Nice, my thinkorswim is freezing. There we go. So yeah, we're squeezing here. Let's see, if we can break out to the upside, or if we end up, getting a pullback and breaking out to the downside and giving us some breathing room. Who knows? We just gotta wait and see what happens here. Let's see here. So I traded a few different things today. Some quick moves, some not so great moves. I traded Tesla, both to the upside and to the downside. Let's pull that up here. So let's see here. So if you pull Tesla up on the 5-minute here, I first played this break here at open. We had a pre-market resistance here. So this line previously was here, right? So I played this break, ended up getting filled up here, and then it came pulling back down. And I got a loss there. And then I actually entered puts down here for the break of 648. So I entered puts right around here when it broke below VWAP for the break of 648, and it kept bouncing around this area. I held all through here. We ended up getting that break, but sadly pushed up right away. We couldn't get a couple candles to close before that. Or below that break, so we ended up I just covered my position right here for like a super small win. And then I actually entered Tesla calls again. I don't know what time I entered those at. Let's see here. Yeah, so I entered Tesla calls again for the high of daybreak for a quick scalp. So we're watching 658 to break. So that's when I moved this line up to here, because that was the new level I was watching. So we're waiting for that 658 break. I entered right at the open of this candle because I saw buyers stepping in on the level 2. And I saw we were breaking through this little wall here. Quickly scalped this. I mean, that was like a $1.50 move there. So quickly scalped that, sold right up here for a decent win. Actually, that was a horrible win. I remember I got a horrible fill on that. So should have been a good win, wasn't a good win. I was actually up about 10% on this quick scalp, just that 1-minute scalp, but we did end up pushing up throughout the rest of the day here. A key level I was watching is like this 665 level here. The reason I was watching that is because if you go back here, that was this previous high before we kind of went into this channel. I called this out yesterday, guys. I said if we broke out of this channel, we should see continuation up. And it definitely continued up as we broke out of that channel. But yeah, so we broke above this high. Didn't get too quick of a move. Ended up pushing up here. And then we kind of formed like this wedge flag pattern here, like a pennant, like a bullish pennant. It looks really good on the 5-minute. So we ended up kind of forming this pennant here, broke out to the upside, saw another big move up. I was already done trading by this time though. I only trade, the first hour of market open when volatility is high. So Tesla beat earnings, so it's gonna be interesting. We saw this huge push up, and now it's kind of holding flat. But the real break we need to see on Tesla is that 700 break. So let's see if earnings can give this thing some momentum to kind of break out of this chop here. And continue up. So another stock I traded today that I was unable to call out just because of how quick the move happened was Snow. Snow, I was seeing a lot of momentum and a lot of volume step in. So I entered Snow right here for this flag breakout. right here. We saw a quick bull flag, and these contracts move super nicely. So I got out of the money contracts here for this push up, and ended up getting like 50% on these contracts. I sold like right around here at 267.50. So made some good money on those. Made back my loss that I took earlier on those Tesla calls when I bought the top. So, and then I made some money on those other Tesla calls. So overall, a green day. I almost have gone 2 weeks without a green day now, and without a red day. So that's amazing. But let's get into kind of what we're going to be watching. Let's see, before I go into that, let's kind of see what else happened in the market today, just based off of what we were watching yesterday. We were watching NVIDIA yesterday. That's another one I was talking about yesterday. We still got to break above this downward resistance. 200 is a really key level. If you pull this up on the daily, we got this downward resistance here. It looks like we're getting rejected. We need to break that 200 level. So AMD, continuing, a little bit of a red day today, but we still got this bull flag. Let's see if we can hold this 90 level and continue up to 100. Would be amazing, but nothing crazy today. What else were we watching? Apple did not break that all-time high today. So super close. Saw a massive push up for a great pre-market high break today. If you were playing this level right here, this was a really good pre-market high / like opening range break here. So yeah, this was actually a really good play that I wish I would have caught. The pre-market high instantly got rejected there, pulled back, pushed through it with momentum, and didn't quite reach 150, but we'll be watching this for 150 tomorrow. So what else were we watching? Facebook. This is a big mover Friday. We kind of said it might need some breathing room, and as you can see, it's kind of just hanging out here. Still got to wait for that all-time high break. I'd rather actually give it some breathing room here, just so that way when we get the break, it's more likely to break with momentum, just because it needs to breathe a little bit before it can make another big leg up. So Airbnb, I know we were watching this a little bit, pushed up and broke through this kind of channel we're watching on the 180 day. So it broke above that, and we saw a really nice push up. We were talking about this yesterday, and now we got to see if we can kind of break above like this 143 area and continue up to 152. ROKU was another one I was watching very closely today. So ROKU, right at open, had a big push up. It kind of formed this pattern here where you could have played this breakout on the 5 minute. Pull this up. No, it was on the 1 minute. So it kind of was forming a little pattern here. They could have played that breakout right here, and I didn't actually play because I think I was playing snow at this time, or I was just watching. But the real level I'm watching is the all-time high break on ROKU, which I think will be massive. As you can see, the all-time high is 186.72. We went up there today, went up to that area and got rejected. So tomorrow I'm going to be watching very heavily for this 186.72 break. Amazon had a really good day. They have earnings this week, so if you played that pre-market high break, 36.80, we formed a nice flag here and got a really good push up. Amazon contracts are crazy expensive right now though, but huge move up. And then we had another flag here where we did get a breakout to the upside there. So let's see, what Amazon can do this week. Contracts are just crazy expensive, but I do think we can easily break all-time highs this week. So overall, that's what went down today. What am I watching tomorrow? Amazon. I'm watching Amazon tomorrow. Let's see if we can break above now this level right here. Actually, I'd like to see, this is the previous level here. So 37.20. That was a previous level we used to watch. There's a lot of chop in this area. So if we can break above that level, I'll look to enter. I like entering Amazon at whole numbers. Tesla, we're gonna have to see how this one looks pre-market, but overall we're gonna end up playing, if it kind of hangs out in this area, we're gonna end up playing the break of this high for a scalp. I won't plan on playing Tesla with like longer holds until we get above 700, which is the real break we're looking for. So watching Amazon, Tesla, and ROKU tomorrow. Let's see here. So Roku, yeah, we're looking at that all-time high break at 486.72. Could be huge. This could be a really big break. So I'm gonna be having my eyes on this. When Roku moves, it loves to move. As you can see by Friday, it just made insane moves. So gonna be watching the all-time high break. So those are 3 stocks I'm watching. And then I'm watching Snow as well again tomorrow. I probably won't play Snow until we break 272, and then when we break 272, I'll be looking for the 275 break. So if we can get that break tomorrow, that'll look really good. So there's 4 stocks I'm watching, and then we'll throw Facebook in there. I am watching Facebook again for that all-time high break at 375. But yeah, I think that is it for tomorrow. I don't think we're gonna get the NVIDIA play tomorrow. Yeah, that's kind of a big move for that to happen, but you never know with NVIDIA, so set your alerts for the 200 break. But overall, have your eyes on Amazon, Tesla, Roku, and Snow tomorrow. Those are the potential plays that I'm looking at for tomorrow with high probability setups. So yeah, I will see you guys at market open. Again, let me know if you would rather me do these live streams at night or in the morning. So, all right, subscribe, do post notifications so you know when I'm going live, and yeah, later.